going on, everybody? My name is Miss McCarthy, and I'm the creator of bestmathcourse.com. I'm really excited that you're here today to walk through the third grade place value course that we've got. Okay, I'm going to show you all about it inside so you know exactly what you're getting. Okay, so here we are at bestmathcourse.com/units. It's the Florida units. This Best Math course is all for Florida. So if you are a parent looking for resources outside of Florida, right now, this website is really targeting parents in Florida, just so you know. You could probably benefit from it, but just so you know, being upfront, these are Florida math units for at-home learning. You can read all about this here, but we want to say, which grade would you like to explore? Well, this is a third grade course on place value, so I'm going to click that. Now you'll come to the welcome to third grade. So we're just looking at the third grade unit courses here. Each course has video lessons, practice pages and answer keys, printable materials, real world tasks, math mystery episodes, and quick quizzes to check for mastery. So click a course to start today. So currently, as of filming this, I have 2 courses available, a place value course and an addition and subtraction course available. We're just going to go over this one right here, the place value course. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in so you can see what is included. So the skills that I'm addressing in these courses with the intention that your child will master these skills are identifying place and value of digits. By the way, like I said, these are all for Florida best standards. The best standards are the standards that teachers are using to drive their instruction. The best standards will be assessed on the FAST assessment. So again, we got the skills. We've got identifying the place and value of digits. We're going to be working on reading and writing numbers in standard, word, and expanded form. We'll practice composing and decomposing numbers. This one right here can be a little tricky, especially when we have regrouping. We're also comparing numbers using place value blocks, a place value chart, and a number line. Plotting and ordering numbers in ascending order and descending order. So from least to greatest and greatest to least. And we will also practice rounding to the nearest 10 and 100. All of this you will find inside of this course. It features 13 video lessons with easy to follow strategies, 18 practice pages and answer keys, 4 math missions tasks, and 4 math misconception mystery episodes, and 5 quizzes. I'm actually going to be dropping in some bonus resources too, so we're not seeing that now, but there will be some in there too. Now, back in the day when I used to tutor, I would charge anywhere from $30 to $60. So if you were to hire me to teach all of this to you and your student, it would cost $390 to $780 just to teach everything that's involved in this course. But your cost for this course is only $52, and you can come back to it anytime. So unlike tutoring, where once it's done, you can come back to this anytime. So now that we've taken a look there, let's click it. This is the page where you will log in each time to get to your course once you have it, okay? So first you'll enroll right here, and then you'll be able to log in up here each time. I have some little notes here to remind you to sign up with a personal email address because work and school emails will sometimes block the login codes that you'll need to get inside. If you've already enrolled, so if you've already purchased this course, but you aren't sure how to log in, you can click here and I walk you through how to log into your course after you're enrolling. And I said a note here, these courses are designed for families to use at home. Teachers, you will love the classroom-ready version at mccarthymathacademy.com/teachers. So teachers, if you're watching this, go here. You're going to want to go to the other site. Okay, it just makes sense. Trust me on this. It will make more sense. All right, enrollment is easy. This is powered by Stripe. Safe, secure. You just put in your information in there and sign up. So I have logged in. I'm going to go ahead and resume the course. And actually, before you log in, you can even take a look here. It'll show you everything that's involved. Okay. That's fine too. You can definitely take a look at that, but I'm going to show you inside. So let's get inside the course. So the very first thing that opens up is your Welcome Start Here tab. Definitely go here first, especially if this is the first time that you're enrolling in a course, definitely go here first. I'm so glad that you're here. Welcome you to the course and all of that. How to work through the course. So I'll walk you through how to go through it and how to navigate it. This is where you'll get all your practice pages that you need by clicking this link right here. You can see for this one, we're getting 43 practice pages, and I'm probably even going to drop in some more resources into that bonus, so that will go up. And then if you need to reach out to me, you can email me. I am here for you. I try to stay on top of it. and respond within 24 hours, usually way faster than that, all right? I know that y'all are busy and you need answers, so I try to get you answers as fast as I can. So we've got topic 1, identify place value and value of digits. Then we have a quiz. Then we have topic 2, read and write numbers. Then we have a quiz. Then we have topic 3, decompose and compose numbers. Then we have a quiz. Topic 4 is plot, order, and compare numbers, and then we have a quiz. And then topic 5 is rounding numbers, and then, I'm not sure if you can see it, but then we have a quiz. It's not scrolling down enough, but there's a quiz down there. And first we've got a place value song. Then it would be, you can see here there's 2 lessons here. First is the place value song, then understanding place value to the thousands. Got a printable guide and a video lesson, and after you finish, click complete. By the way, for the quizzes, these are just a way for your child at home to just make sure that they've got it. These are not graded. They don't really count for anything. It's just a way for you and for them to track to see if they know. If they get all 5 of them right, they can feel great. They have mastered that skill, that topic. If they did not get a 4 out of 5 or a 5 out of 5, then maybe they need to try the quiz again, and that's okay. And if your child does need to try the quiz again, just send me an email and I will refresh it so they can try it again. Okay, topic 2, we've got read and write numbers. We've got a place value music video. The next section is reading and writing numbers. We've got the printable, and here, the video lesson. Let me go ahead and show you like what the video lesson will kind of be like, okay? This is the thousands place, and we have the 3 in that place. The value of that 3 is 3,000 plus. So you can see all your child needs to do is press play and record the same notes that I do on there. And then they'll have the opportunity to practice on their own with this page right here. There's also the answer keys there so they can check their work. Looking at topic 3, we've got composing and decomposing numbers. We've got the place value song. We've got a video lesson on regrouping basics before we dive into decomposing numbers. Then we've got a couple practice pages, practice exercises for decomposing numbers. Then we're going to bump it up a little bit and show you another way to decompose numbers that requires regrouping. That's what I was talking about before, that this is where students definitely struggle. We got 2 extra practice pages on that. And then composing numbers, putting them back together. There's a video lesson and an extra practice page there. We've also got a math mission and a math misconception mystery. Let me show you these 2 resources here. Here is your math mission. You just read it carefully. Here's the printable for it. Express it using only hundreds and ones. And then you have check your answers right here so they can go through and have it make sense, okay? Then for the Math Misconception Mystery episode, you get your detective report. You're going to solve this problem right there. And then you'll watch as 4 characters solve that same problem.
As to express the number 2,438 using only tens and ones. So I said, okay, there are 243 tens and only 8 ones. So we can express the tens as 243 and the ones as 8.
Okay, so there was a mistake made in this character. There are 4 characters. This is one of the characters. This character makes a mistake. There's going to be 4 characters. 3 of them are going to make mistakes. 1 of them will solve it correctly, and your child has to watch and try to figure out who solves it correctly and who does not. And then they can check the answer key right there. Okay, so that's what the misconception mysteries are like. Then there's a quiz. Okay, to go over everything that we just learned. And then the next topic is topic 4, plot, order, and comparing numbers. Got the place value song again to help you. We've got a video lesson on comparing 2 numbers using place value blocks, and then a follow-up assignment. Then another video lesson on comparing 2 numbers using place value and a follow-up assignment. Another video lesson on comparing 2 numbers using a number line this time with a follow-up assignment. Then we have plot and order numbers using a number line and a follow-up assignment, and then your math mission and math misconception mystery. So there's a lot happening in this unit. You just work through it one step at a time. And then you have the quiz, just like this. Okay, just check for your understanding. And the final topic in there, wow, there's so much here. All right, we've got the rounding song, which is fun.
Break it on down.
The directions say to round to a specific place code. So find and underline the place they gave you. Draw a box around the digit and all the other digits before it. Now throw down the number line the given number is between. Make a mark to show halfway before you round down. After you round up exactly halfway, you round up.
That's a song to help you, and we actually use these same strategies when we're working in the rounding videos, okay? The rounding practice and the rounding videos. So for the rounding section, you have a video lesson for rounding to the nearest 10, and then we'll practice that with 2 follow-up practice assignments. Then rounding to the nearest 100 with 2 practice assignments to follow. Then understanding why we even round in the first place by estimating your sums and differences. 2 practice assignments there with a math mission and the Math Misconception Mystery video with those 4 characters and trying to figure out who solves it correctly. Finally, we have that rounding quiz. Right there, just 5 questions. Each quiz is only 5 questions. It should not take long. It's just a way for them to go, woohoo, I've got it. Or, oh no, I need to practice a little bit more. So you have access to so much in here. There is incredible value in this course. And now you know what it looks like and you're ready to get rocking and rolling in the Welcome Start Here section. So I hope that you found this walkthrough for the 3rd grade place value unit to be helpful. I've tried to break it all down for you to show you exactly what it is that you would be getting access to. It's a lot, and I'm here for you. So if you have any questions, you can email me at bestmathcourse@gmail.com. There's also a contact form on the website. And like I said, I try to get back to you right away. So I hope that this was helpful for you, and I hope to see you inside the course. Bye, everybody.